What is up guys, Tani this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a customer on Zoho Books. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Zoho Book. After typing, you will see this first official website of Zoho. Click on this website and after clicking, if you are new to Zoho Books, just simply click on sign up now and then sign up with your name, your email and your password. But if you already have an account, just simply sign in with your email and password. Now, after signing in, you will be welcomed to the homepage of Zoho Books. Now from here, on the left side, click on the sales icon and then under the sales section, click on customers. Now from here, you can see all your current customers that have been listed. And if you want to delete a customer, just click on that. And then at the top on the right side, you will see three dots. Then click on those three dots and then click on delete. And after that, an inactive pop-up will open. Simply click on that inactive customer and then the customer will be deleted and the customer will be inactive. And this is how you can remove customers from Zoho Books. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.